In today's world, compact utility vehicles have become an essential solution for farms, private lands, resorts, warehouses, and outdoor workspaces. The vehicle shown here represents a perfect balance between simplicity, durability, and everyday practicality. Designed to perform efficiently in open environments, this small utility cart offers reliable transportation while remaining easy to operate and maintain. At first glance, the vehicle's design is minimal yet purposeful. Its compact white body reflects heat and blends naturally into rural and industrial surroundings. The open frame structure eliminates unnecessary complexity, making the vehicle lightweight and easy to maneuver. With no roof or doors, it allows quick entry and exit, which is ideal for frequent stops during work tasks. This open design also enhances visibility in all directions, giving the driver full awareness of the surrounding environment. The front section features a boxy, functional design that emphasizes utility over decoration. Rectangular headlights provide clear illumination during low light conditions, such as early mornings or cloudy days. A sturdy black brush guard protects the front from minor impacts, making the vehicle suitable for uneven terrain and outdoor use. The rugged off-road tires are one of its most important features, offering strong traction on grass, soil, gravel, and uneven ground. Inside the vehicle, the interior layout is simple and user-focused. The two seat benches finished in light gray cushioning, offering comfort while maintaining durability. The seat material is easy to clean, making it ideal for dusty or muddy environments. The black steering wheel and basic dashboard controls reflect a no-nonsense approach, ensuring that anyone can operate the vehicle without prior training. The absence of advanced electronics reduces the risk of mechanical failure and keeps maintenance costs low. The floor area is designed to handle rough use. Its dark, rugged surface resists wear and tear, allowing operators to step in with muddy boots without concern. This makes the vehicle especially useful for agricultural tasks, landscaping, or construction support roles. The open sides allow natural airflow, keeping the driver comfortable even during extended use. One of the most valuable components of this vehicle is its rear cargo bed. Constructed in black with vertical side slats, the cargo area is ideal for transporting tools, equipment, feed bags, or small loads. The flat tailgate design makes loading and unloading quick and efficient. Whether carrying farming supplies, maintenance tools, or outdoor gear, the cargo bed adds significant functionality without increasing the vehicle's size. From a performance perspective, this type of utility vehicle is designed for efficiency rather than speed. Its compact size allows it to navigate narrow paths, fields, and work zones where larger vehicles would struggle. The balanced weight distribution ensures stability even when the cargo bed is partially loaded. Its quiet operation makes it suitable for residential areas, resorts, and facilities where noise control is important. In rural environments, such vehicles are especially valuable. Farmers can use them to move between fields, transport tools, or carry supplies without the fuel consumption of larger trucks. Property owners can rely on them for maintenance tasks, while event organizers can use them for quick transport across large open spaces. Their versatility makes them a practical investment for both professional and personal use. Durability is another key advantage. The simple mechanical design minimizes breakdowns and ensures long-term reliability. With fewer complex components, repairs are straightforward and cost-effective. This makes the vehicle ideal for users who prioritize function, reliability, and low operating costs. In conclusion, this compact utility vehicle represents a smart solution for outdoor transportation and light-duty work. Its rugged tires, open cabin, simple interior, and functional cargo bed combine to create a vehicle that performs reliably in a wide range of environments. Whether used on a farm, in a rural setting, or for daily utility tasks, it delivers consistent performance with minimal maintenance. Practical, efficient, and purpose-built, this vehicle is a dependable companion for anyone who values functionality over unnecessary complexity.